Kakong Thailand lingdo kalong kami kasi kebelasaan nyoben ha kinong tray ke Delhi Golf Club tang namar bakapong da Riam Jansem ha kasitarik mentau bena jelio kelawan poi sakni kanong ba Shillong ringkan ke Dr. Nivedita Borthakur Sondhi hadin balan poi ha Shillong ha bai keren baki katu kan ni kinong tho khobor ha Assam House kani kalong kami kalai tho ba kejingwan jong ka Shillong kadai hadin ba ukhon jong kani ke Dr. Nivedita ke baju Sumayu ba du ba police call ha Abu Dhabi uliyo shuti ban kham sha shushu ya kai ke belajar ha Delhi Golf Club ha kapor bakakong Thailand lingdo kelasa khot bam ja ha kani ke club la kham skotho kham shai halor kani ke jingja kakong Thailand lingdo kala ongru bangala jumat ye kijing e nadu badang red handai ngampat jusha penderan kumbaja ha Delhi Golf Club hadu baki beriu ke badan ha kani ke club kila pet lot yanga la benrap kani ke long kami
mi le jangta kin le song la dan spau khasan mi le song ta Teu to beriu angut beriu chuan ang kane beriu ikum kanang tray te kariam ka beidro ikum kane pali te kam la bak chong kane kami te ban mi nan le kami ban pelai na kami chong ba tengah pada tengah sunai la jong te ka kali ke kane ang balai piang kumta te kia ang kamla bancang hangna namar ikum kanang tray. Jela kata kada tengah senusi ia pada nasus nai. Termat saya ang habiami nak berok sendaingot. Ter habiami nak berok sendaingot dia mi nak sabar. Ia lain nak sabar cakap. Mereka senusi nai mengapa dah? Tengah nak kata kada kini kuat man jatuh lagi pi berok. Kan nemjia siut lalur nang nesakman kan lembeteng man kapo nya tengah ang deban penduk kan jing kamera ni diberi hukum ne man kamera makor kum kamera mengatakan magajing semua so sendai la de Tadi kum bahas nang lajang ro nda ang kum tangam nas ngawi ai nas ngawra has nang kibriu ta de kenrat dah peli lek belah hasnang kibriu ya lam semua bah kibriu lek bam lek de kibriu bahak bahan sa chakran ta tem semua leran ra te de ban buram de banah don kata keburam ke akor iki lok iki jor iki balaj bawan hang to de ban kran ben markam bahar ta penya hang to ngasul lek hang to ujuk don bakran mana-mana tang hang tahi bakran chakran kita karena kerja susun kumne be kat sabalai lek sha sun ka benang kumne kala ban bak karang da kawai ndrai karupam te kanai bun kibriu yang aki ang balai pimpong dak selawar balai pimpong dak sari ngau ni pong sari ta haban hangata lek ganti kembali mengata ha baik pung tang tung tang tekam ha bre ha bade ngamara ha bade ban phong sari tak tarak sari lapis torwe sekali bat kamta de ki khasi jangi kat sabalai harum ha sharum sanang kibun ki babujli ya karyam ya kabay don bah ya kajaj ki bujli na lada kila kenya kan keduk mat ki bujli tambah kimla tengah ang banda kumta taki kirit mensim kan dalai sarum sam rem dei ban red mensim han ha India lajang da ang sabar India tumban to gaya da kawai mo basaduk sajengai nang ne hadal hi tang sule hak thut la da poi hayen ndai ram ta tang su break to pro chi la poi hi lai kasinong lajang kumnangan sakran bain habaka India kadai de masu banyalang kumju ki berbara ndai ban khen ki chakri ki malik ki lang malik ki malik kin sulang hai pawar la damdan kita ki chakri ro ki mla akhire ban trehi la da ki la ban trehi kim la kimbu ira ngaban ang ha po Delhi Golf Club bikinda ang yo la sengal tip beki yalam kibriu hanta tengah la ban lek ndai bandang ngandak tip bye bye ngam tresura ngan ang lupas taji kajing leran kato, kajing sosendai kato. Kita pan ma prong lak dap am to ngam ma pre. Kat pat mi hinang na mensim jong ngam nomor. Nomor dalai kato langsung si am. Kato langsung klamran. Sisen bola pat kaklat lana kepela kim jonya kato ke bae tu. Kandon hi kadak. Ne kandon. Ngatang kadon baik.
Hakani ke jingwan sakading nong ba Shillong. Katra jo kong Thailand ling doru hakabakani kelong kami ke jutrei. Ka Dr. Nivedita Borthakur Sindhuru kalakren bat pensha sikinong pathai khobor halor kani ke jingsyam jo kong Thailand ling do. Nalor kani waru khon jong karu wal jandap chipos nam karta. Ulakren halor ka jing fair hapdeng ka Abu Dhabi Golf Club bat ka Delhi Golf Club.
We are going back with the hope that things will move very fast. That government, when Honorable Mr. Sangma made that commitment that he will be taking, the government of Meghalaya will be taking suo motu action. It's almost going to be a week. We hope that that is what's going to happen next. We met with Kong Thailand and members of the Women's Commission. And we had very long detailed discussion about the options open, and I have come out of that, and Thailand and I have come out of that convinced that the Women's Commission is with us, and we are supported by them, and they will take very strong and proactive action and will move the appropriate legal bodies, including the National Scheduled Tribes Commission. So that is where kind of the because then we've also met several eminent social activists and members of civil society, and again there's a considerable outrage in what has happened, and I think it's not only an individual that has been humiliated, it's the entire Khasi society, the state of Meghalaya and the Northeast, I think, which has been humiliated by the actions of the Delhi Golf Club. And this is not the first time that has happened, but some of your colleagues have remarked that this is probably one of the few times, except when a horror story like the Arunachal boy who lost his life happened, when media attention was caught. This is perhaps one of the first times when the media has actually focused and sustained the momentum of this happening. And we thank you for that, because without your support, without you coming out in support of us, this couldn't have been sustained nationally. Because we are so far away from the mainstream that it's very easy to forget us in the Northeast, even in Delhi. So we thank you for that. And what's occurred to me is that these things keep on happening. We make some noise, it's forgotten, nothing gets done. So I am appealing to the Khasi society, the Meghalaya, the people of Meghalaya, the people of the Northeast, that here is this lady who was humiliated for being who she is. She's a professional as you and I, but she was humiliated for her profession, for the way she looks, the way she dresses. On 3 accounts, she was asked to leave the club premises, which is or the club room, and she was deemed not to be fit enough to have her meal sitting down in that dining room. I think that is what is so atrocious in some sense in this, and the civil society and also the youth of Meghalaya, the Khasi youth, the students that are there from the Northeast, who are telling us that they face this day in day out. Delhi and other parts should come and support, because this is not just the voice of Thailand Lindo or Dr. Nivedita Borthakur or anyone else. Yeah, it should be the voice of all of us saying enough is enough. We are here to protest, we are here to tell everyone that we can't be picked on every time, and this should stop. So, but I hope I see more of that happening. Because right now I don't. There is outrage in social media, that's all very good. But we should be seen to be protesting this. We should be heard. And that can't be just the voice of Thailand Lindo. She's just a small part of it. So through the media, through the local media, through the national media, through the northeastern media, I would like to make this request that this has to be bigger than Thailand. Because it is the duty of all of us. It would have been very easy for me and those 8 people or 7 people around the table, like everyone else in the room that day, to let Thailand go out of the room and sit outside or stand outside and continue with our lunch. But that is not our culture, that is not our Northeast culture. That is not Meghalaya culture. And I think I'm very proud that Thailand is here with me. She's here, she's been through a lot. And I think the dignified way she has stayed through all of this stress, all of this humiliation has been amazing. I think we owe all of her a big thank you for standing up for Meghalaya, for standing up for Khasi society, for standing up for the Northeast.
So our school does some ASAs, we play golf, and sometimes we take Thailand along to the Abu Dhabi Golf Club. Their rules are 100% different than the Delhi Golf Club rules. They don't even say, you go it. They don't do that. They leave her alone. They treat her as if they're equal. Delhi Golf Club, totally different matter.
All the people say hello. How are you?
Yeah.
How are you today? Hi. Say like that. Then only Delhi Golf Clubs say like that. Not good.
Nakaliang kong Thailand ling dok lapun paru ba kani kejingwan jungka sa kani kanong ba Shillong kalong ro ban ai kublai kerpang ki pat ba jong jala komjo ya ka chairperson jong Meghalaya State Commission for Women ki bal ai man siem ba kersan ha ka jingja ha ka ba kalayang ha ka nong rem man pen kesan ila ka jong kriam ha ka sni ka ba kriam jansam ka sha nyoben